I found the QMine website online after searching for a unique anniversary gift for my husband. He's a guy that enjoys the outdoors and hiking, and we both live and grew up in the Vancouver area. So I thought that this map of Grouse Mountain would be absolutely perfect to display in our home. It shows, of course, the mountains, but it also shows Stanley Park here too in the Vancouver area, which again is very meaningful to us, as this is the area where we've spent most of our entire lives, and a lot of time there together too. So I saw the maps online on the QMine website, and I decided to purchase one for a gift for our anniversary for my husband, and actually really me too, because I'll enjoy it in the home. And when it arrived, I was so pleasantly pleased in how beautiful it is and what high quality the 3D printing is as well. The color rendition is beautiful, as you can see, and the attention to detail as well is stunning. It is stunning. Look at that. Overall, I am extremely happy with my purchase, and we will probably be purchasing another one because they have maps for all over Canada and the USA and even international. So it would really be neat to have a map from many of the places that we have visited over our lifetime. So again, they are stunning. We love it. My husband is happy. Talk to you soon.